Hello everyone, this is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand for a crowd? For the Tamper evidence base, we have several options for you. The first one is anti-counterfeiting stickers, which can be directly applied to the bag. After tearing it off, it will leave the VOID logo, like this. The second one is holographic anti-counterfeiting printing, which allows the brand name or special logo to be applied directly on the bag. It can only be displayed under UV light, effectively preventing counterfeiting. Let's start make your bag an interesting bag. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.